Hey everyone, thank you for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. We have a 2013 Volkswagen CC 2.0 4-cylinder turbo. Just serviced, 75,000 miles only on it. Drives really good, little chip right there. Body's in great shape, 18-inch rims, leather, panel roof. A little bit of peel here on the rear bumper cover. Really nice car, multi-zone climate control, good tires on it. We'll go back over here too. I think I didn't point this out. A little bit of clear coat fade on the door handle there, but besides that, exterior is really good shape. Go check out the inside here. Has black leather, really comfortable seats, clean inside. Check out the front. Backup camera. Go ahead and give her a start up. Has 75,684 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056. You could also shoot us a text. You can email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you know somebody who might be interested, definitely send it to them. And we also service all Audi, Volkswagen, and Porsche vehicles. Full service facility here. And if you need any work done, definitely shoot us a call or text. Thank you for checking out our video.